అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ రాజశేఖర్ ననుబోలు. ఎన్ఆర్ఎస్ థాట్స్ సమర్పించు ఎన్ఆర్ఎస్ మంచి మాట తరగతి గదికి స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. Recently, AICTE has allowed engineering courses to be studied in regional languages. Now, I would like to tell you that full details.
Engineering courses now in 8 regional languages.
We all know that All India Council for Technical Education has allowed its affiliated colleges to offer engineering degree in 8 regional Indian languages that are Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada and Malayalam from the coming new academic year 2021-2022.
How this idea was initiated?
This move is a part of Indian government's wish to facilitate education in one's mother tongue under the new National Education Policy. In November 2020, the Ministry of Education had cleared a proposal allowing colleges to offer engineering education in mother tongue.
Who will benefit from this idea?
This was initiated to provide quality technical education to the students who did not receive sufficient English training at the school level. The initiative is aimed to benefit rural and tribal students.
Was the feasibility checked before taking the decision?
To look at the feasibility of this idea, the Government of India appointed 2 committees. One is at the Ministry of Education level and other by AICTE. The council has conducted a survey on 83,000 students in its affiliated colleges to check their willingness to opt for instructions in one's mother's tongue. Nearly 44% of students had shown interest. Also, the committee found that nearly 15 to 20% of students in IITs have also shown willingness to pursue engineering in their mother tongue. AICTE committee has already submitted its reports to the ministry and given a green signal to the idea.
How to get permission to start offering engineering courses in regional languages?
Colleges that are willing to offer engineering in regional languages can apply with the council, and if they meet requirements, they will be granted approval to start the courses. Colleges that have NBA accredited courses or departments can start offering engineering in regional language in those particular departments or courses. Suppose a college has NBA accredited in civil and mechanical engineering, they can take approval for extra seats from AICTE and offer the courses in their regional languages.
How many branches are presently allowed?
For now, the council has kept the option open for only traditional engineering disciplines: mechanical, civil, computer science, electrical and electronics.
Are the study materials available in mother tongue?
The council has also started working on the study materials for these disciplines. Over 130 teachers across the country with expertise in different languages are working on translating the engineering curriculum from English to the 8 regional languages. Also, the council told the translators to keep the technical words as it is in most cases. Even if they do write a regional language equivalent of a technical word, the English word should also be mentioned in the bracket so that students have a better understanding of subject. The council also said that Swayam or NPTEL online courses in science, engineering and technology, humanities and social sciences, and law and management have been getting translated in 8 regional languages subtitles. Currently, the first year engineering course material is available in 8 languages and it may be expanded to 22 languages in the next couple of years.
Is English course compulsory?
For the students who are pursuing engineering in regional languages, the college will have to offer compulsory English courses so that once the student is out of college, he or she ready for job opportunities. What is the procedure to get admission? On admission for students in regional language courses, the AICT said it will be on the basis of merit in state and national level engineering entrance exams.
Is it compulsory to study engineering courses in the mother tongue?
It is not mandatory for studying engineering courses in regional languages. It is an option for the students as well as the colleges. Now, I would like to tell you one important thing before to conclude this. The decision taken by All India Council for Technical Education will definitely benefit rural and tribal students who do not have access to study in English medium from the school level. However, the students who want to study engineering education in their mother tongue must complete the engineering education with quality standards as well as must learn English communication skills with special attention. Only then they will be able to get good job opportunities in this competitive world. Students should be careful that the lack of good communication skills in English does not obstruct their development under any circumstances. Thank you one and all. Let's all meet in another video with another valuable content. Until then, best of luck all of you. Thank you.